Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the how we are going to add the images to a PDF document with React. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to set up a project with the Vite and the React selection. Okay, and here we are selecting the JavaScript. Okay, so let's move to the code level. So we have to install the package, that is the npm install jsPDF. Okay, so here I'm going to use the jsPDF, and this is the full-fledged code that we are using. So first of all, we have to import the jsPDF, and this is the local image. Here you can see that. So the local image is this one. So we have added the local image. So we are going to use both the local image and the url to generate it on the pdf. Okay, so convert the local image to the base64. First of all, we have to set the states for both the local image and the url based image. Okay, and this is the convert the local image to the base64. So this is the code for converting that one. So we are going to canvas. Okay, so here you can see that we are using the canvas, right? So convert the local image to the base64. So we use the canvas to convert the image into the base64 string using the canvas dot data dot url. This happens only once on the mount for the local image. Okay, so we are doing that one. Okay, after that, convert the remote image to the base64. So this is the remote url, so we have to pass the url and it will convert that into the base64 image. Okay, so here we have, again we are using the canvas for that one. Okay, so this is for that one, and this is the convert the url image to the base64 on the click. So create an image from the url, load it in the memory, and use the canvas to convert into the base64. We wrap this in a promise so we can await into the next step. Doc.add image embeds the base64 image in the pdf. Okay, so here we have the doc.add image. So here you can see that we have doc.add image. This will embed the image into the canvas. Okay, so generate pdf is a function, right? So here, if the url base64 is not there, okay, replace with your image. What, like, if it is not set, then I'm going to use that one image. Okay, and we are going to add that image, okay, with the doc.add. Otherwise I'm going to throw in an error. Okay, else we are going to add the another url for the local one. Okay, this is already loaded, that is url base64, right? And we have, this is the condition, we have a try, we have a cache. Else if the base64 is not there, so we are going to what value of the url base64 which is set. Okay, and now we have to add the local image also. So with the help of the local base64, we are going to add the local image. So doc.txt, this pdf contains both the url and the local image mixed url, and we are going to save this image. Okay, and we are going to create a button, that is a generate pdf. And generate pdf, this is a function. Okay, so let's take a look like how it's gonna be working. Let's run this project, control c, npm run dev, and it will open the url like this. And here we have a generate pdf. So when I click on this generate pdf, it will generate this pdf, and here we have the live url, here we have a local image, and this pdf contains both the url and the local images. Okay, so this is how you are going to add the images to your pdf, whether it's to be a local image, whether it's to be a live url. Okay, hope you understand the concept, and hope you like it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.